Sa sobrang dami na ng mga skincare products sa market, bibihira na lang talaga yung multi-use at budget-friendly. Good thing I discover Verlumi products. By the way, kakatapos ko lang maghilamos dito and I don't have anything on my face, just lip tint and this one pimple since kakatapos lang ng period ko. This is the Verlumi Radiance Enhancing Toner. What I love most about this Verlumi toner is kaya niyang restore ang skin vitality natin through its gentle formula. Kaya din niya mag-minimize ng pores natin at ng skin texture at talaga naman nagpo-promote ng luminous glow. Look at that. No filter yan Sobrang Latina. The next thing I have here is their Glow Amplifying Serum. Sobrang ko rin nagustuhan yung serum na to dahil once in-apply mo siya sa face, hindi siya malagkit at lightweight lang siya. Para ka nag-rejuve, diba? Sobrang glowing niya sa face. Kaya naman, kung gusto mo ring ma-achieve ang healthy and glowing skin like this, check out mo na to. Bye!